Hello mama, if you're using a breast pump and you're not sure whether you're doing it correctly, this short video will guide you step by step so you can pump more comfortably and get better results. First, always wash your hands and make sure your pump parts are clean and dry. A clean pump keeps both you and your baby safe. Next, assemble the pump properly and choose a flange size that fits your nipple well. A good fit prevents pain and helps your milk flow more easily. Before you start pumping, gently massage your breasts or apply a warm compress for a few minutes. This helps stimulate letdown and makes pumping more effective. When you begin pumping, start with a low suction and increase slowly to a level that feels strong but comfortable. Pumping should never be painful.
So
Try to relax while pumping. Looking at your baby, listening to calming music, or taking slow breaths can help your body release milk more easily. Pump for about 15 to 20 minutes or until your breasts feel softer and milk flow slows down. After pumping, store your milk in clean containers and place it in the refrigerator or freezer right away. With practice, pumping becomes easier and more productive. Your body learns your routine and responds better each time. Thank you for watching. You're doing an amazing job, and your baby is lucky to have you.